Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we are going to learn about straight and curved lines. So, what do you see in the picture? There is a thread held by two hands. Now when I hold the thread loose, the shape of the thread will be a curved line. If I stretch it slightly, still it is a curved line. I stretch it slightly more, still a curved line. But now I stretch it to the farthest, then the thread forms a straight line. So this is how we distinguish between curved and straight lines. Now, a line drawn with the help of the ruler or the scale, what is it called? It is a straight line. If I draw a random freehand line, it will look like this. It's a curved line. Let's see some real-life examples of straight line. It's a blackboard. The top horizontal edge of the blackboard is an example of straight line. In your notebook, the edge of the notebook is also an example of straight line.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.